We're very happy and kasi ito yung matagal na namin pinagtatrabahuan. Ever since nang bumalik kami after nung season is talagang no days off talaga. So we're really glad na nakuha namin yung panalo and sana makuha namin yung championship game. Yung panalo bukas. We just trusted each other talaga kasi even though na may mga times na hindi pumapabor sa amin. So we just really have to trust each other, stay composed para mas makapag-isip kami ng maayos. And yun, we're glad na naging maganda yung kinalabasan. Mas dodoblehan namin yung effort namin kasi championship game na eh. Alam namin, hindi porket natalo namin yung NU ng eliminations is ganun pa rin yung lalaroin nila. So we expect na mas intense pa na laro. So we really have to prepare for that. Nung time ka na kasi yun, parang simula nung nawalan kami ng tatlong player, parang medyo nagbago yung atmosphere ng bench. So parang ako, sabi ko, magtiwala lang sila sa bawat isa kasi kahit sabihin namin nawalan kami ng tatlong players, hindi kami basta-basta pwede sumuko eh. So I'm really glad na nilaban talaga namin, nagtulungan kami and ayun, nakakuha namin.